Alright, so I found this spot not long ago, and I thought it'd look kind of cool if I could get in there, but they have a wire kind of blocking the entrance, and I don't want to completely trespass, so I'm not going to. But I'm going to try to take some pictures here, try to get, some of that background in there, kind of just see what I can make of this spot from the fucking cord that's right there. Quick video, nothing crazy. I haven't done anything to the car yet. I am going to do some mods to get more camber on the front soon. I would do it sooner than later, but it's cold as shit. And I'm actually looking into some new wheels, so if you guys are interested in these wheels, let me know. It's 18 by 13 and 18 by 11.5 in the front. Oh yeah. We'll see. I'm gonna take a couple pictures and see what I can do. Like cement or some shit he stepped on. But yeah, this scene is crazy. I got a couple good pictures. Mostly just crazy staring at it. Like, there's nothing like this in Boston, so it's kind of nice to see. Yeah, literally crazy. I know you guys in like Cali have shit like this, but we don't. But yeah, honestly, that's gonna be it. This is just a quick what I'm doing, and what I'm doing is still saving so I can get a new wide body. I'm deciding if I want to keep these wheels, and I finally got back my Flex Fuel kit from Delicious Tuning, so I can finish my tune, get on Flex Fuel, make a little more power, safer, and shit, that's really it. So as soon as I do something else, I'll vlog again. But I will tell you, the next thing I'm doing is the camber up front. I'm going to slot my coilovers. I'm going to put on lower control arms I got for the front and kind of kick that out and try to get into the double digits. Right now I'm at -7 in the front and -7 in the rear, but I want at least like -12 in the front just for the look of it, and I'll kind of be happy at that point with the stance. But who am I kidding, We're never happy. So yeah, I'll catch back up once I do something else.